Hey guys, this is Steve editing today's video, and I just found out just in editing that the audio that came out of this video was really poor due to the fact that I did not have the microphone plugged in the entire time. And this video was originally intended to be a tutorial on how to build a brand new Ryzen gaming PC, and I didn't want you guys to have to deal with a 30-minute video with poor audio, so I turned this into a build montage, put some music over the building. I hope that's okay with you. I do have a couple gaming PC builds coming up in the future. I think I'll turn one of those into a build tutorial. With that being said, we're going to go ahead and switch it over to today's content. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Steve and this is Tech Teardown. Today we're going to be doing a really awesome gaming PC here for my cousin Josh. Josh is upgrading from the FX 4130 quad-core AMD processor as well as the Radeon HD 7700. So he was definitely due for a really nice upgrade. So we're going to go over the parts that we picked out for him, and then we're going to do a little bit of a build tutorial. So starting off with the motherboard, we have the B450 Gaming F motherboard from ASUS. And for the processor, we have the Ryzen 5 3600 6-core processor. This is actually the 3600X, is about $10 more and had a better cooler on it. So we're going to go ahead with that. For the graphics card, we picked up the PowerColor 5700 XT dual fan. The 5700 XT graphics cards are some of the best value graphics cards out there on the market right now, and this PowerColor card is of the cheapest ones in the XT model. Then we picked up 16 gigabytes of Crucial Ballistics RAM at 3200 speed. And then we have this Power Spec 650 watt power supply, and it's semi-modular, but we are going to be using these Inland branded sleeved cables from Micro Center. These are green and black, much cheaper than a lot of the cable mod cables, so we thought that was a good deal. For his boot drive, we have an Inland NVMe SSD, and for his storage drive, Western Digital Blue 1 terabyte mechanical hard drive. And then for some case fans, we have these Thermaltake Pure Ring RGB fans. And then over here we have our NZXT H510 Black Edition. So he is going to be doing a pretty awesome upgrade. Everything I really would have loved him to have. The 5700 XT, the Ryzen 5 3600, all like those were the core pieces that I really wanted him to have. So I think he's due for an ultimate upgrade. He's going to be using it for gaming. Do you want to tell people what games that you're going to be playing, Josh?
The new Call of Duty and Quake Champions.
Very nice, yeah, and the graphics card and the processor are going to be more than enough to handle Quake Champions, and then Call of Duty Modern Warfare, you're going to be able to handle that real well. We also did pick him up a 24-inch 1440p monitor, AOC, and it has 144 hertz refresh rate and a 1 millisecond response time, so also going to be a great monitor to handle all of this hardware. So we're going to go ahead and get to building. All right, so we finished building the computer for Josh here. He's just playing some Doom, seeing how it runs. We're pretty much locked at 200 frames a second here with the 5700 XT. He's playing at 1080p ultra settings on the Vulkan API, and just excellent, excellent performance. We've tested a couple other games there, and you can see that the performance is just amazing. Really great performance overall. Josh, how do you like your new system so far? Is it a good upgrade?
Oh yeah, it's great. It's running real smooth.
Excellent. I like to hear that. We have this green RGB to go with the green cable sleeves, so it's nicely themed, looks pretty good. We're using Thermaltake fans with their new RGB software. The build was a breeze, as it always is with NZXT. There was one issue that I'm not sure if it was an NZXT issue or an ASUS issue, where just one of the standoffs did not line up. It was just a little bit off center of the hole on the motherboard, so it could have been an ASUS manufacturing error, it could have been an NZXT error. Everything else lined up perfectly except for that one standoff. The Ryzen 5 3600 is an excellent value processor, 6 cores and 12 threads, brand new from AMD. Excellent value, can't recommend it enough if you're looking to stream, game, edit videos. Great price to performance processor. The 5700 XT, also a great graphics card. If you want any of the parts we used in this video, I will leave links to Amazon in the description. If you use them, I do get a little bit of a kickback, so I appreciate it if you did. That's going to be it for this video. So I want to thank you guys for just watching the video. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. It would be really helpful. We're almost there to the 1,000 subscriber mark. Like, comment, share, all of that things, and we'll see you in the next video.